They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.
Litchfield's Bar and Grill. Today on Review Time with Tim, I'm going to be trying out the peanut butter bacon burger. Can't wait. It's going to be delicious, I hope. Litchfield's Bar and Grill, Wells, Maine. 4.4 rating on Google Maps. Today I'm going to be trying out the peanut butter bacon burger. Sounds fantastic. This place is loud and popping. There's so many people in here. Now, according to Yelp, this restaurant is a 4-star restaurant. Alright, so initial bites. The peanut butter is on point on that burger. The burger is well seasoned and the bun is nice and soft. Haven't quite got a bite of the bacon yet, so we will see when I dive in with a few more bites to see how much that bacon adds to the experience of eating this peanut butter bacon burger. Now in that bite, I got a slice of that bacon. It's nice and crispy, crumbles in your mouth, doesn't get a nasty chewy bacon pull, so well done on that bacon. I do have to say this bacon peanut butter burger is done to perfection. Now, normally I do French fries, but this time I chose to upgrade to the onion rings. And look at this. Full slices of onions. Now, upgrading to the onion rings, I think, was a smart choice on my end because these rings right here are some fried, greasy goodness.
The peanut butter bacon burger was slamming, and upgrading to the onion rings was worth it. As I always say, I never give a local place a score. It's up to you to decide for yourself. As always, like, comment, subscribe to the channel.